Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. If you want to see how I got these cute ass 6-stitch braids, keep on watching. Oh yeah, I added these little curls at the end. I just thought they were so adorable. Like, comment and subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next video. For the longest time now, like, I don't blow dry. I can't be bothered sometimes because it just makes my hair dry. I don't want my hair moisturized. So what I low-key do is I just add in some grease because I can braid with it and like my hair feels healthy. That's just the way I do it, okay? I know gel is quite controversial, and like honestly, we can be like the aunties. We don't actually need gel to make styles cute, but it does help, right? And a little goes a long way. So that's what I basically do with my stitch braids. So I will just do the whole of the perimeter of the braid, as you've seen, the one side, the other side, and the front. I don't really do the back until I get to the back, to be honest. Then just make sure you comb it in a little bit, because what's the point in slapping the product on your hair? It's just going to be there, thick, and anyway, and you can't really grab the hair if it's just like that. You'll understand what I mean when you start braiding. For the first piece of braiding hair, because I want my braids like, not thick, but like the same thickness, I plait for a little bit and then I add in my first braiding hair. When you're doing stitch braiding, it's all about the grip. Like, I know I don't even use one of those little like tools. Maybe I should. Maybe that would help me. But I mean, I've been fine so far. I mean, until times like this. But it's fine. Like, do you see the way I just grip it? Like, I part in it with my little stubby fingers. My fingers ain't stubby. They're kind of long. But you know what I mean. If you need to get one of those grip things, get it. I might get one of those soon. I'll make a video and let you know how it goes if I use one of those.
Alex, Ebbs, take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath.
Right, by this point, I'll just be honest, I ran out of gel. And anyways, when you get to like the back end of your hair, this is where the majority of like the hair is. And obviously because it's not blow dried, it's really thick. Slap a bit of mousse in there. The mousse, chef's kiss. I will link my beacons down below for anyone interested, but I have a freebie with some braiding hacks that I think that a lot of you guys could use. I also have a braiding size chart guide, so that would be for my box braids, and I do have in there my personal favorite size for box braids. I also run one-to-one braiding coaching if anybody needs a bit more like one-on-one support. Obviously Watching videos is good enough. You guys can sit here and watch videos all day. I promise you, you'll get the hang of it. But if you are that person who just needs a little bit more support, girl, I got you. Hit me up. Come over to my Instagram, DM me. We'll have a little kiki and we'll braid some hair, okay? So I don't know if you guys noticed with the style, but basically I've only gone down a certain amount of way, and then I will put in my elastic band. Then I have some rods, and I literally just grabbed each braid because there's only 6, and I separately twisted it and then twisted it in the roller. I'm sorry, I didn't record that bit, and that was a rubbish explanation. But girl, you know what I mean. I twisted it, I curled it, put it in a rod, you get some curls. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a thing or two. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.